In this video, I will tell you summary of the best Christmas present in the world. In this lesson, there are four main characters. First is Jim McPherson, who is the leader of English Army, England Army, and he is a very brave and courageous soldier. Before war, he was working as a school teacher in Dorset in England. He loves his wife very much and he is a kind-hearted person. Second character is Connie McPherson. She is wife of Jim McPherson. She spends her whole life in the belief that her husband will return home one day and she wanted to see him again. She loves her husband so much. Then next character is Hans Wolff. Hans Wolff is a leader of German troop. He is the captain of German troop and he is very friendly man. And before war, he was working in orchestra in Dusseldorf. This lesson is divided into three parts. In first part, writer wanted to buy a roll top desk which is used for writing. So he cannot buy a new roll top desk, so he decided to buy old one, and for that he went to junk shop. Junk shop means कबाड़ी के दुकान पे वो जाते हैं because he thinks that there he will get that desk in a low price. The shopkeeper also selling that desk in a low price because that desk was burned and also broken. Writer bought that desk and he brought it home. That desk was of 19th century and it was made from oak wood. On Christmas evening, writer started to repair that desk. And while repairing, he found a letter in the secret drawer. That letter was kept in a secret drawer. And that letter was kept in a small box in the secret drawer. And on that letter it was written, on the envelope it was written that Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915 to be buried with me when the time comes. And all this sentence was written in a shaky handwriting. At first he thinks that he will not read the letter because reading others' letter is not good, but due to his curiosity, he could not stop his curiosity, so he read the letter. And what all he read in that letter is given in the part 2 of this lesson. When writer read the letter, he found that Jim McPherson was the leader of England Army, and on those days he was engaged in war between England and Germany. But a very wonderful thing happened on that Christmas morning, and that was, at first Germany soldiers, they have wished Merry Christmas to English soldier, and in return English soldier also wishes Merry Christmas to them. And then both army gathered at No Man's Land. There both leader Jim and Hans. Jim was the leader of English army and Hans Wolff was the leader of German army. Both leaders met and they share their feelings and thought, and they celebrated Christmas happily. All have both the army, they have celebrated Christmas by eating, laughing, drinking, and by playing football match. In that football match, German soldier won the match, and when they were returning back to their trench, Jim wishes that the fight would end very soon and they will go back to their home very soon. At night, both the soldiers in their trench, they sing carol, and in this way they have celebrated that Christmas very happily. In third part of this story, author decided to give that letter to Jim's wife, that is Connie Macpherson. So he went to that address which was written on the envelope of that letter. When he went there, he found that the house was burnt, and Connie Macpherson was in the nursing home. So writer went to nursing home where he found Jim's wife Connie Macpherson. Now she is very old lady, and she is near about 101 years old, and now also she is waiting for her husband. So when Connie saw writer with letter, she thought that writer is her husband, and she became very happy, and she declared that he is the best Christmas present for her. So this was the summary of this story. Thank you.